how to add music to Instagram story without losing the media quality. So in this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to do it. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Instagram application on your device and then log into your account. Then after that, select the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile feed. Now in this section, you have to select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down, then select the option of data uses and media quality. On this section, you have to simply toggle on the button to upload at highest quality. So once you have done that, you can easily add music to your Instagram story without losing any quality. So let's come back to the home screen of Instagram. Then you can select the Your Story icon at the top left corner of the screen, or you can also select the bottom center of the screen and choose the story that you would like to upload. So once you have selected, you can select the music icon at the top right corner of the screen and choose any music from this For You section, or you can also browse or then search using the search icon or the bar. Once you have selected, you can come back, and then once you have selected, you can also select the durations as well as the portion of the song you'd like to add on your story. Using the 15 seconds icon, you can select how much clip duration you want to select. So let's keep it 10 and select the down button. Once done, tap on the down button at the top right corner of the screen and select Your Story at the bottom left corner of the screen. In this way, you can easily add music to your Instagram story without losing the quality.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.